So moving forward, I'll be working with this type of handle. Yes, I mean it is the trendy handle now, so it is the new handle in vogue. Actually, the screw that comes with the handle is a bit longer than what is needed. Do you understand? So I had to dispose that and get a new screw. Do you understand? This is what I bought at the market, but the screw is a bit longer than what is needed. So I have to go and buy another screw. So I'm making use of this my new screw. Do you understand? So now in fixing the handle to the bag, I have to find the center. Don't forget the width of this bag is 11 inches. So find the middle, which is 5.5 inches. I get that 5.5 inches. So after locating the middle, check the measurement of the handle. Then you make sure it is fixed correctly. I mean, to the middle, to the center of the top handle. Do you understand? So once I've been able to get that spot, the next thing I need to do is to punch that spot. Do you understand? You can make use of a puncher, you can make use of your scissors. Just make sure you pierce that part, that spot. Do you understand? So I'm making use of my scissors. So the next thing to do after punching that spot is to fix in my screw. Do you understand? So I'm going to fix in the two screw from inside of the bag. Just watch me closely and listen attentively. Then after that, I'll fix in the handle, do you understand, directly to the screw. Then I'll use my screwdriver to screw it and make sure it is very, very tight. I mean, make sure it is not loose. It is very, very tight. It is very simple to fix. I mean, it is very, very, very simple to fix. Now I'm done with that. Judging from the video, you should be able to tell that this handle is fixed perfectly. I mean, very, very firm, perfectly. So let's move forward. Now this is the outcome without fixing the bag lock yet. Do you understand? I'm yet to get the bag lock, but this is what is looking. I mean, Kai. I mean, this bag is so beautiful, so beautiful. I think I made, okay, not I think, I made 5 pieces of it for my bridesmaid. Now after fixing the lock, let me show you the outcome. These are my girls. These are my girls. This is the outcome of the bag, and you see how beautiful it is. See you some other time. Bye. I love you all.